Look at you lifting that head. Gabby, look at you lifting that head. Look over here. Look over here, baby girl. Look over here. Gabby, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look. Oh, look at you. Oh. Good practice. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Can you look this way? Gabby girl. Gabby girl. Can you look this way? Look this way. Gabby, look over here. Look over here. Look at her.
Gabby girl. Monkey butt.
Yeah.
Pumpkin butt. Pumpkin.
That 45-degree angle. Yeah. She's getting better, lifting her head. That's the practice. Look at that. Oh, and now she's frustrated.
Enough of that.
She can't look. I want her to look this way, but she won't do it. All right, say bye, Gabby. Bye, Gabby.